So this morning I was presented with a mystery. And so I had to look at some clues and try to figure out what was going on because I had students emailing me saying Canvas doesn't work. And my thought is, well, of course Canvas works. It's on the web. It's a web application. So long as you use your school login, the same one that we use for Chromebooks all the time, it's going to work. So for the first student, I reset their password and emailed back. But then as more students are commenting this, I'm figuring there must be a bigger problem here. And I figured it out. I think that what people are doing is they're going on Google, searching Canvas, and this is what appears. And it has most of the things that look familiar, so it looks like you're in the right place. But if you look up here, it says canvasinstructure.com, login Canvas. Well, that's not our Canvas. Our Canvas that you can get to by using the student tab on CD Schools, it starts off with CD Schools. So if you look up here, it says CD Schools Instructure.com. So if your Canvas does not have CD Schools up here, you're in the wrong location and it won't let you log in. But if I come here and I tried a student who said that they were blocked out, and on the correct Canvas it works, but on the just generic Canvas that's for anyone, it does not work. So please just make sure when you're logging on to Canvas that you are going to the correct web address.